Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from BrightSpring Health Services, a leading provider of home and community-based health services. Joining us is Jon, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. Jon, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BrightSpring has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, including increased guidance for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BrightSpring reported a net revenue of $3,053 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 28.6% increase compared to last year. Jon, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This significant revenue growth indicates strong demand for BrightSpring's services. The company also turned a net income of $15.4 million this quarter, a substantial improvement from a net loss of $7.2 million in the same period last year. For the full year, revenue reached $11,266 million, up 27.6%, while net loss narrowed significantly to $20.5 million from $156.8 million in 2023.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the challenges, BrightSpring has shown operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their adjusted EBITDA performance and future outlook?
Absolutely. BrightSpring's adjusted EBITDA for Q4 was $167 million, a 17.4% increase from last year. For the full year, adjusted EBITDA rose to $588 million, up 9.3%. Looking ahead, the company has increased its 2025 revenue guidance to between $11,600 million and $12,100 million, with adjusted EBITDA expected to be between $545 million and $560 million, excluding the community living business.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Jon, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 19 cents. How did BrightSpring perform in this regard?
BrightSpring exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of 22 cents, beating the forecast of 19 cents from 4 analysts. This beat reflects the company's strong operational performance and cost management strategies.
Strategic initiatives and divestitures. BrightSpring has announced some strategic moves, including divesting its community living business. What impact will this have?
The divestiture to Savita for $835 million is a strategic decision to streamline operations and increase capital flexibility. This move is expected to enhance growth rates and allow BrightSpring to focus on its core services, ultimately driving better financial performance.
CEO's vision and company strategy. What insights did CEO Jon Rousseau provide about the company's strategy and vision?
Jon Rousseau emphasized the company's focus on quality, efficiency, and expanding their service reach. He expressed pride in the team's commitment and capabilities and is enthusiastic about the opportunities in 2025, particularly with the streamlined organization post-divestiture.
Key takeaways. In summary, BrightSpring Health Services has delivered a strong performance with significant revenue growth and improved profitability. The company has exceeded EPS expectations and increased its guidance for 2025. Thank you for joining us, Jon.
Thank you for having me. BrightSpring's strategic initiatives and financial performance make it a company to watch in the coming year.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BrightSpring's performance in the comments below.